Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through a simple and secure way to sign up and start your investment journey. In just a few minutes, you can complete your KYC verification and create your profile using DigiLocker with no paperwork required. Let's get started. First, open your white labeled app on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap on Sign Up to begin creating your account. The entire process takes just 5 to 10 minutes. Ready? Let's begin. On the start screen, enter the mobile number you want to register with your investment account, then tap on Get OTP. When the security check appears, tick I'm not a robot and complete the quick verification, then continue. Next, enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your registered mobile number and tap Continue to verify. Now, enter your permanent account number PAN in the field shown. PAN is mandatory for investing in India. The system will check your PAN and display your KYC status. If it shows KYC not verified, you can complete your KYC online within the app. Before moving ahead, keep your ID proof and a clear signature on white paper ready. Also, make sure your phone's camera is allowed to take photos for the next steps. On the Verify Your Identity screen, choose how you want to verify using DigiLocker. You can proceed with either your Aadhaar or your driving license. In this example, we've selected Aadhaar. DigiLocker. Now, enter your Aadhaar number exactly as it appears on your Aadhaar card. Type the characters shown in the CAPTCHA image, then tap Next to proceed. You'll receive a one-time password on the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar. Enter this OTP and tap Continue. If your DigiLocker account is already registered, enter your 6-digit DigiLocker security PIN and tap Continue. On the consent screen, review the details of what will be shared from DigiLocker for KYC. Select the documents you're comfortable sharing, then tap Allow to give consent and continue. You'll see a short processing your request screen while your documents are securely fetched from DigiLocker. Your basic details like name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, and address are now fetched from DigiLocker. Check that all the details are correct. Update any editable fields like your father's name or address, if needed, then tap Continue. Next, choose your account holding pattern. Select Single if you are the only account holder. If you're investing with others, select Joint or Anyone or Survivor according to your preferred ownership, then proceed. Fill in the remaining details required for the first holder and then tap Continue. On the Nominee Details screen, you can add a nominee to ensure your investments are passed on to the right person. Enter nominee name, date of birth, relationship, share percentage, email, mobile number, and ID proof details. If you do not wish to add a nominee, tick I do not wish to nominate and tap Continue. Now, add your bank details. This is the account that will be used for investments and redemptions. Fill in IFSC, account number, account type, bank name, branch name, bank address, city, and PIN code, then tap Continue. Next, add your signature. You can either upload a clear photo of your signature captured on a plain white sheet or sign on screen. Tick the confirmation boxes to confirm that this is your own signature and that you consent to link it with your registered email ID, then tap Continue. Now, complete photo verification. Allow the app to access your camera when prompted. Center your face in the frame in a well-lit area. Follow any on-screen instructions and capture your photo to verify your identity. In the final section, review the summary of your details pulled by Signsy, including your personal information, documents, bank details, and nominee information. Read and accept the agreement terms, then tap the Verify or Confirm button to submit your KYC application. Once everything is verified, you will see an Application Completed screen. You will receive verification links for UCC authentication. If you added nominees, they will also receive links. You can complete this now or later, but it is required for making transactions. Tap OK to proceed. Congratulations! Your onboarding is now complete and your account is ready to use. You can now start exploring the Mint app and begin your investment journey. To start your investment, tap on Invest Now. Choose the exchange you want to invest through. Once your UCC authentication is completed, your investment profile will appear on the screen. Select the profile and tap Proceed. Next, choose how you want to invest. You can select purchase for a one-time investment or SIP for a recurring one. Now, select the fund, choose the scheme, and enter the investment amount. Once everything looks good, tap on Transact Now. Your order has been placed successfully. Complete the final authentication to confirm your investment. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is always here to help. Thank you.